NEET Biology diagram based practice question number 10. Question number 1. In the given figure is of tobacco mosaic virus. Identify the label A. Shown in the diagram, tobacco mosaic virus TMV. The name virus, that means venom or poisonous fluid, was given by Pasteur D.J. Ivanovsky. Recognized certain microbes as casual organism of the mosaic disease of tobacco. These were found to be smaller than bacteria because they passed through bacterial proof filters. M.W. Piegering demonstrated that the extract of the infected plant of tobacco could cause infection in healthy plants and called the fluid as Contagium vivum fluidium, that is infectious living fluid. W.M. Stanley in 1935 showed that the virus could be crystallized, and crystal consists largely of protein. They are inert outside their specific host cell. Viruses are obligate parasite. In addition to protein, viruses also contain genetic material that could be either RNA or DNA. No virus contains both RNA and DNA. A virus is a nucleoprotein and the genetic material is infectious. In general, viruses that infect plants have single-stranded RNA, and viruses that infect animals have either single or double-stranded RNA or double-stranded DNA. Bacterial viruses are bacteriophages, that is, viruses that infect the bacteria are usually double-stranded DNA viruses. The protein coat called capsid, made of small subunits called capsomer, protects the nucleic acid. These capsomers are arranged in helical or polyhedral geometric forms. So the correct answer, option A is RNA. Question number 2. What is the function of the cell marked as? Shown in the diagram, a filamentous blue-green algae, nostoc. There are thousands of different eubacteria or true bacteria. They are characterized by the presence of a rigid cell wall and, if motile, a flagellum. The cyanobacteria, that is also referred to as blue-green algae, have chlorophyll A similar to green plants and are photosynthetic autotrophs. The cyanobacteria are unicellular, colonial or filamentous, freshwater and marine or terrestrial algae. The colonies are generally surrounded by gelatinous sheath. They often form blooms in polluted water bodies. Some of these organisms can fix atmospheric nitrogen in specialized cells called ketrocysts. Example, nostoc and Anabaena. So the correct answer, option B is fix atmospheric nitrogen. Diagram A is ketrocyst. Question number 3. Mark the correct answer with relation to estivation in the diagram. Shown in the diagram, estivation in corolla, valvate estivation. The mode of arrangement of sepals or petals in floral bud with respect to the other members of the same whole is known as estivation. The main type of estivations are valvate, twisted, imbricate and vexillary. When the sepals or petal in a whole just touch one another at the margin without overlapping, as in Calotropis, it is said to be the valvate. So the correct answer option A. A is valvate estivation. Example Calotropis. Question number 4. What is the common location of the type of epithelium that has been shown in the figure? Shown in the diagram, simple epithelium, cuboidal type. On the basis of structural modification of the cells, simple epithelium is further divided into 3 types. These are squamous, cuboidal, columnar. Squamous epithelium is made of a single thin layer of flattened cells with irregular boundaries. They are found in the walls of blood vessels and air shock of lungs and are involved in the functions like forming a diffusion boundary. The cuboidal epithelium is composed of a single layer of cube-like cells. This is commonly found in ducts of gland and tubular part of nephrons in kidney, and its main function are secretion and absorption. The epithelium of proximal convoluted tubule, that is PCT, of nephron in the kidney has microvilli. So the correct answer option C. C is PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. Question number 5. The experiment demonstrated in the figure was carried out by, shown in the diagram, Priestley experiment. Joseph Priestley, 1733 to 1804, in 1770 performed a series of experiments that revealed the essential role of air in the growth of green plants. Priestley, you may recall, discovered oxygen in 1774. Priestley observed that a candle burning in a closed space, a bell jar, soon gets extinguished. Similarly, a mouse would soon suffocate in a closed space. He concluded that a burning handle or an animal that breathed the air both somehow damaged the air. But when he placed a mint plant in the same bell jar, he found that the mouse stayed alive and the candle continued to burn. Priestley's hypothesis as follows: plants restore the air, whatever breathing animals and burning handles remove. Can you imagine how Priestley would have conducted the experiment using a handle and a plant? Remember, he would need to wrinkle the candle to test whether it burns after a few days. How many different ways can you think of a light the candle without disturbing the setup? Using a similar setup as the one used by Priestley, but by placing it once in the dark and once in the sunlight. Jan Incan showed the sunlight is essential to the plant process that somehow purifies the air followed by burning candle or breathing animals. Ingenhouse is an elegant experiment with an aquatic plant showed that in a bright sunlight, small bubbles were formed around the green pods, while in the dark they did not. Later he identified the bubbles to be oxygen. Hence he showed that is only the green part of the plant that could release oxygen. So the correct answer option B. B is Priestley. Question number 6. What is the function of structure labeled as A? Shown in the diagram, a section of small intestinal mucosa showing villi. The innermost layer lining the lumen of the alimentary canal is the mucosa. This layer forms irregular mold in the stomach and small finger-like molding called villi. in the small intestine. The cells lining the villi produce numerous microscopic projections called microvilli, giving a brush border appearance. These modifications increase the surface area enormously. Villi are supplied with a network of capillaries and a large lymph vessel called the lacteal. Mucosal epithelium has cobalt cell which secrete mucus that help in lubrication. Mucosa also forms glands in the stomach, that is gastric gland, and grips in between the bases of villi in the intestine, that is crypts of Lieberkühn. So the correct answer option C. C is absorption of fats. Question number 7. Which is the hormone synthesized by A part of pituitary? Shown in the diagram, diagrammatic representation of pituitary and its relationship with hypothalamus. The pituitary gland is located in a bony cavity called sella turcica and is attached to a hypothalamus by a stalk. It is divided anatomically into an adenohypophysis and neurohypophysis. Adenohypophysis consists of two portions, pars distalis and pars intermedia. The pars distalis region of pituitary, commonly called anterior pituitary, produces growth hormone, that is GH, prolactin, that is PRL, thyroid stimulating hormone, that is TSH, adrenocorticotropic hormone ACTH, luteinizing hormone LH, and follicle stimulating hormone FSH. Pars intermedia secretes only one hormone called melanocyte stimulating hormone, that is MSH. However, in humans, the pars intermedia is almost merged with pars distalis. Neurohypophysis, that is pars nervosa, also known as posterior pituitary, store and release two hormones called oxytocin and vasopressin, which are actually synthesized by the hypothalamus and are transported axonally to neurohypophysis. Oversecretion of growth hormone stimulate abnormal growth of the body leading to gigantism, and lower secretion of growth hormone result in stunted growth, resulting in the pituitary dwarfism. Prolactin regulates the growth of the mammary gland and formation of milk in them. TSH stimulate the synthesis and secretion of thyroid hormones from the thyroid gland. ACTH stimulate the synthesis and secretion of steroid hormone called glucocorticoids from the adrenal cortex. LH and FSH stimulate gonadal activity and hence are called gonadotrophin. In male, LH stimulate the synthesis and secretion of hormone called androgen from testes. In male, FSH and androgen regulate spermatogenesis. In female, LH induces ovulation of fully mature follicle, that is Graafian follicles, and maintains the corpus luteum formed from the Graafian follicle after ovulation. FSH stimulates the growth and development of the ovarian follicle in females. MSH acts as an melanocyte, that is melanin containing cell, and regulates pigmentation of the skin. Oxytocin acts on smooth muscle of our body and stimulate their contraction. In female, it stimulates the vigorous contraction of the uterus at the time of childbirth and a milk ejection from the mammary gland. Vasopressin act mainly by the kidney and stimulate absorption of water and electrolytes by the distal tubules and thereby reduces loss of water through urine, that is diuresis. Hence it is also called antidiuretic hormone. So the correct answer option D. D is none of this. Question number 8. The given diagram represents an experiment used to demonstrate which of the following plant hormones. Shown in the diagram experiment used to demonstrate that tip of the coleoptile is a source of auxin. Arrows indicates direction of light. Interestingly, the discovery of each of the 5 major group of plant growth regulators have been accidental. All this started with the observation of Charles Darwin and his son Francis Darwin, and they observed that the coleoptile of canary grass respond to unilateral illumination by growing towards the light source, that is phototropism. After a series of experiments, it was concluded that the tip of the coleoptile was a site of transmittable influence that caused by the bending of the entire coleoptile. Auxin was isolated by F.W. Wendt from tip of coleoptile of oat seedling. So the correct answer option D. D is auxin. Question number 9. What is the correct labeling for the diagram given? Shown on the diagram, Chordata characteristics. Animal belonging to the phylum Chordata and fundamentally characteristic by the presence of notochord, a tarsal hollow nerve cord, and paired pharyngeal gill slits. These are bilaterally symmetrical, triploplastic, coelomate with the organ system level of organization. They possess a post-anal tail and a closed circulatory system. So the correct answer option C. C is notochord. In the diagram, first mentioning that nerve cord, second mentioning that postal anal part, third mentioning that gill slit, fourth mentioning that notochord. Question number 10. What is the biomolecule demonstrated in the diagram? Shown in the diagram, adenine, that is one of the purine. Living organisms have a number of carbon compounds in which a heterocyclic ring can be found. Some of these are nitrogen bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil, and thiamine. When found attached to the sugar, they are called nucleosides. If a phosphate group is also found esterified to the sugar, they are called nucleotides. Adenosine, guanosine, thymidine, uridine, and cystidines are nucleosides. Adenylate acid, thymidilic acid, guanylate acid, uridylic acid, cyclic acids are nucleotides. Nucleic acid like DNA and RNA consist of nucleotides only. DNA and RNA function as genetic material. So the correct answer option A. Option A is nitrogen base.